We are going to Ocean Lakes Campground in Myrtle Beach. So it's been a long trip.
Yeah, so we parked the RV over here.
Now, Afton and all are gonna go in the RV, take a poop, and keep driving.
What the heck?
So check this sweet little ride behind me. For the record, Fawn is not wearing the same clothes as yesterday.
Oh.
She's just like Steve Jobs.
Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out.
All right, everybody. So we made it after 2 days of traveling. We made it to Ocean Lakes, in South Carolina.
Looks like we have some nice room between us and the other camper, even though this is a lot of spaces close together. We have a decent amount of space right here.
We got super lucky because last night when we were boondocking, we were perfectly level. We had side to side and front to back. And now we rolled in perfectly level as well. So off to a good start. Hey everybody, just wanted to make a little parenthesis to tell you that in a couple of weeks we are going to have a proper campground review. We are going to tell you everything about this place, what to expect, what we did in the area, things that you should consider doing when you come to this campground, but that's going to be in a couple of weeks. Today is just documenting our travels and just wanted to make that clarification. Back to the video.
One eternity later.
So right now we're just exploring kind of like the main area of the campground. There's a laundromat, a huge store, a nature center that we went in. It's raining today, so we're trying to check out all the other things the campground has to offer.
Okay. Well, 6 a.m. Getting the kids out of bed was a struggle. Fawn is packing some snacks. And we are about to go to the shore.
Guys, listen.
We're gonna go on a jet ski tour. Our hope is that we get to see some dolphins this time. Fingers crossed. Do you think we're gonna see any dolphins?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, I sure hope so. We're going under a bridge right now. You see the bridge? Whoa.
Down to the river. Oh, bury me, carry me. Oh, far beneath. Oh, fire and water me. Going down deep. Say, oh, bury me, carry me. Oh, far beneath. Oh, fire and water me. Washing me clean. Kerosene Creek.
Well, that was an adventure.
We had a good time. Did we
had
see any dolphins?
No.
No dolphins
No
today.
dolphins.
I think we're gonna have to keep trying until maybe if it was a little warmer and sunny.
He said that yesterday some storms, sometimes that pushes them back,
Yeah.
the wildlife back.
But all right, what was your favorite part, everybody?
Well, underwater.
On the water?
What happened?
Explain.
Fell off the jet ski.
Oh
Who
my
fell off the jet
goodness.
ski?
Daddy.
Daddy and Arlo.
Oh my God.
2 times. He did 2 times and I did 1.
We did not fall off at all.
We didn't fall off at all. We're very
Well,
careful.
because you were going like 2
Oh,
miles
stop,
an hour.
Stop it. We were not.
Yeah.
2 miles an hour is very fast.
Well, the first time we were doing like donuts in the water, and when we went around, I flew up like 3 feet in the air. Wow. So when you go out from the river into the ocean, the waves coming in, it got crazy high. Like we jumped out of the water quite a few feet. Did you like that part?
No.
Did you cry at all often?
No.
She squeezed me really tight and said, I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this.
But it was
You
great.
said you were scared too.
I was
Marla said,
scared.
I'm afraid.
But I had to
of
be brave for one of us.
Ala told me a few times, can you go a little slower?
Aw. Next time you ride with Mama.
But we really like this company. It's about a 2-hour tour, right? And it's plenty of time to go all the way out to Myrtle Beach. How long is it?
Myrtle.
How do you say it?
Myrtle.
Myrtle.
What?
Myrtle. Myrtle Beach.
Everybody, 1, 2, 3. Myrtle.
Myrtle Beach.
Myrtle. Myrtle. Myrtle Beach. Anyways, they give you a little tour of what's the name of that beach?
Myrtle Beach.
Myrtle.
That beach, and then they give you time to do whatever you want. So, what is the name of this rental place?
I think it's Myrtle Beach Water Sports.
Okay, so it's beach water. So that beach water sports.
All right. Well, excuse me, I'm very French. All right.
I'm very French. Welcome to Paris.
I'm very French. Welcome to Paris.
All right. So let's get in the truck, warm up a little, and continue our trip. All right, 2 little things that I like about this campground, little details, and those matter, is that at every shower, at every bathhouse, they have newspapers, both a free newspaper and a paid one, and that's really nice. You have more time when you're at the campground to do the relaxing things that you don't get to do at home. So for me, drinking a coffee and reading the newspaper, any local newspaper, is a treat. The other one is right here. They provide you with a cable. It's already here. You just have to connect it to your trailer. That way you don't have to get yours out. So those little details matter, you know?
So we are finished our journey at Ocean Lakes, and we are sad because we had a lot of fun.
We're very sad, but also we're super excited because we're going to a new campground.
Do you know where we're going?
To Carolina Pines.
Yes, Carolina Pines.
So
we hope
stay
we can
tuned
have,
for that video.
Right, we hope we can have just as much fun there as we did at Ocean Lakes. All right, bye everyone.
We are already blown away by this place.
I think this campground is probably the best place we've ever been to.
Guys, I heard that you are not really liking this campground.
I love it! I love it!